Hello everyone, I got a problem. It's raining. But like it's actually raining. Look, I'll show you. It's right there. Yep, so we also got some stuff right there. We got some stuff right over there. Also got a toadstool. Teddy. Let's get out. Oh my god, that's so wet. Look at, oh my god, sorry. See, that's so wet. There's that. Should we go down there? Yes, we should. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, what are you doing? Where do you come from? Bro, where did you come from? I'll get you. I'll get you. There it is. There it is. Let's go. Oh my god. You're fast. Teddy. Teddy, what are you? Don't you dare dig the garden. I know it. You're about to get me, don't you? Here's the beast. Oh, he's looking. You're not gonna get away this time. Seriously. Gonna act like you're the winner. I'm not even trying to get you. I'm trying to just say hello. What are you biting on though? You're not gonna come? Wow, so rude. I'll leave you. I'm going inside. It's not really raining anymore. Okay, I'm going to. I'm locked up in here. Shed. Wait, can we see him? Can we see him through the window? There he is, there he is. Oh, wait. There he is there. Oh my god, he's out. He's out. He's out. We need to get him. Hello? You getting your teddy? There's some sprinklers. I'll turn on the sprinklers. I'll turn on the sprinklers. 1 second. What's that? Oh! Huh? Okay. Tell me how to put it on. No, I didn't. Okay. Wait. Okay. So first we gotta test zone. Do I need to press? Okay. Oh. Okay. No. Teddy. It's okay. Yes, we did it. Thank you guys. Also thank you to myself. We did it. You have the sprinklers, don't you? That's what you have to play with. You're drinking it, Teddy. That. He's running. I'm not going to say that. I can touch it. Ooh, that's nice and cold. Teddy, isn't it nice and cold? Okay, here we go. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god, oh my god. This is so cool. Oh my god. Oh. Look at my legs. Oh, that is not really amazing, I say. I'll take off my shoes then. Ow. I've stepped on gravel without shoes off. It's time. Teddy, you're sticking your bum! Oh my god, Teddy is a little trouble. Oh, that actually feels pretty nice. Okay. Oh my god. This will be the end of. Bye! Subscribe, also subscribe, stand chacha. And, bye, and, have a great day, and, thanks for watching. Yeah, and, bye. Dun, 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 dun.